Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule C for eBay sellers. First, understand that Schedule C is used by sole proprietors to report their business income and expenses. If you sell on eBay with the intent to make a profit, you're likely considered a sole proprietor and need to file this form. It's crucial for accurately calculating your taxable income from your eBay business. Next, let's focus on reporting your income. You'll enter your total gross receipts from all eBay sales on line 1 of Schedule C. If you received a Form 1099-K from eBay or your payment processor, this document will provide a clear summary of your gross sales. Remember to include any other income related to your business, such as shipping reimbursements or sales of supplies. Now, let's talk about deductible expenses, which reduce your taxable income. Common deductions for eBay sellers include shipping costs, eBay and PayPal fees, and the cost of goods you sold. Don't forget other expenses like packaging supplies, advertising, and even a portion of your internet and phone if used for business. Meticulous record keeping is essential for all these deductions. Finally, you'll calculate your net profit or loss. This is done by subtracting your total business expenses from your gross income. This crucial net figure then transfers directly to your personal tax return, Form 1040, impacting your overall tax liability. Remember, a net profit may also be subject to self-employment taxes for Social Security and Medicare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.